Understanding social anxiety more than shyness. When you hear social anxiety, do you just think shyness? It's much more than that. Social anxiety disorder is an intense, ongoing fear of social situations. It's fear of being judged, embarrassed, or rejected. It can affect work, school, relationships. It's not about being antisocial. It's about the anxiety that can make everyday interactions overwhelming. Social anxiety is treatable. Therapy and, in some cases, medication can help manage symptoms and restore balance in daily life. It's time to move beyond misconceptions and approach social anxiety with understanding, empathy, and proven support.